Hello everyone, welcome back to Pralang. One of the biggest problems Bengali learners face when trying to speak English is this. They translate every sentence from Bangla to English in their head. Because of this habit, speaking English becomes slow, confusing, and stressful. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when you try to speak, your brain gets stuck. So in today's video, I will teach you how to stop translating from Bangla and start thinking directly in English. If you follow these techniques and practice them daily, your English speaking will become much faster and more natural. So let's begin. Why translating is a problem? When we translate from Bangla to English, our brain has to do 3 steps. First, think in Bangla. Second, translate the sentence. Third, speak in English. The process takes too much time. For example, Bangla thought, আমি এখন স্কুলে যাচ্ছি. Your brain translates, I am going to school now. But during a conversation, this translation process slows you down. Native speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. The good news is you can train your brain to do the same. Step 1. Start thinking with simple words. The first rule is very simple. Use small and easy English sentences. Don't try to think in long or complicated sentences. Example, instead of thinking, I am extremely hungry at this moment, just think, I am hungry. Another example, instead of, I would like to drink a glass of water, think, I want water. Simple English is much better for your brain. Step 2. Describe your surroundings. This is one of the best exercises to start thinking in English. Look around your room and describe what you see. For example, this is my table. There is a phone on the table. The phone is black. I use this phone every day. You can do this anywhere, in your room, in school, on the street, in a bus. By doing this, your brain slowly starts forming English sentences naturally. Step 3. Talk to yourself in English. This may sound very funny, but it is actually very effective. When you're alone, talk to yourself in English. For example, I'm waking up now. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm going to eat breakfast. You can also describe your daily activities. For example, I'm going to school. I have a math class today. I need to finish my homework. This practice trains your brain into thinking in English automatically. Learn words with pictures, not translation. Many students learn vocabulary like this. Word, Bangla meaning. But this creates a translation habit. Instead, try to connect the word with an image. Example, when you learn the word apple, imagine the fruit. When you learn river, imagine a river. Your brain will remember the image, not the Bangla translation. This helps you think faster in English. Step 5. Watch and listen to English. Listening is extremely important. Watch YouTube videos, English interviews, English movies, English learning channels. When you listen to them regularly, your brain becomes familiar with English sentence patterns. After some time, your brain will automatically know how English sentences work. Step 6. Practice daily thinking. Thinking in English is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it becomes. Start with just 5 minutes a day, then slowly increase to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. After a few weeks, you'll notice something interesting. Your brain will start creating English sentences automatically. Common mistake. Many learners wait until their English is perfect before speaking. This is a mistake. You don't need perfect grammar to start thinking in English. Even simple sentences are enough. Example, I like tea. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Simple thinking leads to natural speaking. If you practice these techniques daily, your brain will slowly stop translating from Bangla and you'll start thinking directly in English. This is the secret to speaking English smoothly and confidently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who want to improve their English. And comment down below. Do you translate in your head when you speak in English? See you in the next video on Pralang.